So Doctor's Recipes, super cool, sent me these magnesium glycinate to share with you. I absolutely love magnesium, and magnesium glycinate is my absolute favorite. My whole family takes magnesium. So even though this has 90 capsules and you only take one every day, it's not going to last us that long since there are 7 of us and we all take magnesium. What I have loved about these ones is that they are non-GMO, vegan, GMP, not sure what that one means, and gluten-free. So these are going to last us, you know, a few weeks, couple weeks, with that many of us taking them. They are a standard sized magnesium capsule. This is about the same size as any other ones that we've got, which are larger. So these have been very high quality. The bottle is a plastic, like either amber or black, not sure, bottle, and I am very happy with these. Here is the back. They're manufactured in the USA and they are GMP compliant, store at room temperature. There they are. Love these magnesium.